A furious sky struck the United States at the beginning of September 2025. On September 3rd, central Kansas was hit by a hailstorm of unprecedented violence. Blocks of ice the size of tennis balls, even baseballs in some areas, crashed down on entire towns, destroying homes, vehicles, crops, and infrastructure. The very next day, September 4th, East Tennessee, including Knoxville, was battered by severe thunderstorms. 2 days in a row, 2 regions devastated.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Before we continue, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support allows us to keep bringing you real-time reports on extreme weather events. Residents of Kansas witnessed a nightmare. In Marion County, hail reached nearly 3 inches in diameter, the size of a baseball. McPherson and Sedgwick counties reported stones between 2 and 3 inches wide, shattering windshields and leaving thousands of cars heavily dented. In Wichita, it wasn't just hail. 75-mile-per-hour winds ripped roofs off buildings, toppled massive trees, and plunged entire neighborhoods into darkness. At the peak of the storm, more than 5,000 residents lost power, while heavy rainfall flooded streets and cut off key roads.
Oh my God. It's crazy.
Barely 24 hours later, East Tennessee came under threat. Knoxville and nearby counties, Knox, Anderson, Roane, and Morgan, were placed under severe thunderstorm warnings by the National Weather Service. Residents braced themselves as hailstones up to 1.5 inches fell, with wind gusts clocking in at 60 miles per hour. In Farragut and Sevierville, roofs were punctured, windows shattered, and tree limbs littered the streets. Localized flooding hit low-lying neighborhoods, paralyzing traffic and cutting power to hundreds of homes. Scientists explained that both outbreaks were fueled by explosive atmospheric conditions, instability, abundant moisture, and strong wind shear. In Kansas, this mix created supercell thunderstorms, monstrous rotating systems capable of suspending hailstones long enough for them to grow to extraordinary sizes. In Tennessee,
instability at a smaller scale was enough to trigger destructive storms, less widespread than Kansas, but still damaging to communities in their path. Now comes the long and difficult recovery. Authorities urge residents to document all property damage with photos to streamline insurance claims, as demand for contractors and repair services has skyrocketed.
Oh my God. It's crazy.
Roof replacements, shattered windows, vehicle repairs, and water damage inspections are top priorities. Utility crews are still restoring electricity, removing fallen trees, and repairing vital infrastructure. In Tennessee, although the damage was more localized, the same precautions apply. Tree removal, roof repairs, and thorough inspections will be crucial. These back-to-back storms are a powerful reminder of just how vulnerable communities are to nature's fury. Preparedness is key. Reliable alert systems, reinforced shelters, protecting vehicles when hail is forecast, and staying aware of local emergency guidance can make all the difference. Have you ever experienced a hailstorm or thunderstorm this destructive? Share your story in the comments. It will help others understand what it feels like to go through events like these. If you found this report informative and useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on future extreme weather coverage. Thank you for your support, stay vigilant, and above all, stay safe.
Yeah. Oh my God.